Random Facts Week for your knowledge. There's a species of spider called the peacock spider, known for its brightly colored body and elaborate courtship dance. Lake Hillier in Australia is a bright pink-colored lake due to the presence of a particular type of algae and high salt content. Ziziva is a type of weevil and is the last word in many English dictionaries. The Basenji dog is known as the barkless dog due to its inability to produce typical barking sounds. Instead, it makes a unique yodel-like sound. The Gate of the Sun is a megalithic solid stone arch or gateway constructed by the ancient Tiwanaku culture of Bolivia around 1,500 years ago. The world's longest concert is planned to last 639 years. A day on Mercury lasts approximately 59 Earth days. Before becoming the President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln was a licensed bartender. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that can survive in extreme environments, including the vacuum of space. Vampire bats are the only mammals that feed entirely on blood. The Dead Sea is so salty that it's one of the few places in the world where you can float without effort. The Lotus Tower in Colombo, Sri Lanka, is considered the tallest self-supported structure in South Asia. The International Space Station travels at an average speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, completing 16 orbits around the Earth within a 24-hour period. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing in 1969 than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Opiocordyceps unilateralis fungus, also known as the zombie ant fungus, infects ants and takes over their brains, controlling their movements. The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat, spanning 10,582 square kilometers. After rain, it becomes the world's largest natural mirror. Kangaroo words are words that contain their own synonyms within them. For example, the word masculine contains the word male. More than 90% of deep-sea marine life produce bioluminescence to attract prey or evade predators. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, according to measurements from the Planck satellite. Odor molecules travel at roughly 20 feet per second to reach and be recognized by our noses. It's a specific temperature and pressure at which water can coexist in 3 states: liquid, solid, and gas. Originally, carrots were purple, white, and yellow. The orange carrot was developed in the 17th century in the Netherlands as a tribute to William of Orange. A whale, known as 52 Hertz whale, sings at a unique frequency of 52 Hertz, which is different from any other whale species, making it the world's loneliest whale. Native to small islands off the coast of Western Australia, quokkas are known as the world's happiest animal due to their friendly and curious nature. Magnetic Hill in Moncton, New Brunswick, is an example of a gravity hill where cars appear to roll uphill due to the layout of the surrounding land. Watermelon snow, also known as blood snow, is a phenomenon where algae turn the snow pink or red and can be found in high-altitude regions around the world. After his presidency, Roosevelt embarked on a perilous exploration trip in 1913 to chart an unexplored river in the Amazon basin. The Falkirk Wheel, located in Scotland, is the world's first and only rotating boat lift, connecting 2 canals at different elevations. Located in modern-day Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is considered the world's oldest temple, dating back to approximately 10,000 BCE, predating Stonehenge by 6,000 years. Some species of baobab trees in Africa can store up to 120,000 liters of water in their trunks to endure harsh drought conditions. Vincent van Gogh only sold 1 painting during his lifetime, The Red Vineyard. There's a forbidden purple city in Hue, Vietnam, once reserved only for the emperor and his concubines. The pistol shrimp can create a sonic boom with its claw, reaching up to 218 decibels, momentarily generating temperatures nearly as hot as the sun. The world's longest wedding veil was the same length as 63.5 football fields, setting a new record. Tsundoku is a Japanese term for the habit of buying books and not reading them, leaving them to pile up. Greenland sharks are some of the longest living vertebrates, with lifespans that can exceed 400 years. The national anthem of Spain, La Marcha Real, has no official lyrics. The wood frog can hold its pee for up to 8 months during its hibernation in winter. Aspen trees can clone themselves, creating entire forests from a single organism. An adult human has about 25% of their bones in their feet. Libya once had a flag that was just a plain green field, with no designs or insignia. Giraffe social networks are matrilineal, meaning that female giraffes maintain lifelong bonds with their mothers. Cymothoa exigua is a parasite that replaces the tongue of a fish with its own body. The Socotra archipelago in the Indian Ocean is home to hundreds of species of flora and fauna not found anywhere else on Earth, earning it the nickname the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. The Amazon River once flowed in the opposite direction, from east to west. Neptune experiences the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds up to 1,600 miles per hour. Australia is wider than the Moon. The Moon's diameter is about 3,474 kilometers, while Australia's width measures about 4,000 kilometers from east to west. Vatican City has the highest wine consumption per capita in the world. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters higher every year due to tectonic movements. Saudi Arabia imports camels from Australia for meat, despite being famous for its desert landscapes populated with camels. The state of Wyoming has only 2 escalators in the entire state. Antarctica is the only continent without reptiles. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye, debunking a popular myth. Cherophobia is the irrational fear of fun or happiness. Scotland's national animal is the unicorn, symbolizing purity, innocence, and power in Celtic mythology. Jupiter experiences lightning strikes up to 1,000 times more powerful than those on Earth. The heart-shaped glacier on Pluto's surface, named Tombaugh Regio, is the size of Texas and made of frozen nitrogen and carbon monoxide. Prairie dogs have a complex system of vocalization that can describe specific predators accurately, including their size, color, and speed. A hummingbird weighs less than a penny. Native to New Guinea and parts of Australia, cassowaries are considered one of the world's most dangerous birds due to their powerful kick. Located in Mexico, it's an island filled with hundreds of hanging, decomposing, decapitated dolls. It rains diamonds on Saturn and Jupiter due to the atmospheric pressure turning carbon into diamonds. Some species of sea turtles can exhibit biofluorescence, absorbing light, transforming it, and then emitting it as a different color. A natural gas field in Turkmenistan has been burning continuously since it was lit by Soviet scientists in 1971. Humans have a protein in their eyes that might enable a magnetic sense of direction, similar to birds. Researchers are studying how zero gravity affects the aging process of wine. Astronauts have described the moon dust as smelling like spent gunpowder. Octopuses change color while they sleep, possibly experiencing something similar to dreams. Some artists create art that is invisible to the naked eye, requiring special equipment or conditions to be seen. The oldest known human footprints outside of Africa were discovered in England and are over 800,000 years old. Scientists have successfully teleported information between particles over long distances in what's known as quantum entanglement. Like and subscribe for more random facts. What was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Have a nice week.